Welcome back to our channel Financiable everybody, where we post tutorial videos related with finance. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your billing address or whatever primary address you have on your PayPal. Alright, so it's pretty simple. So basically your address is the place where you're currently living in, and if you change it, then basically your service might change according to that. So let's say your billing address is of US and you change country into India, then you change your billing address to India, then all of your service is going to be according to that. Alright, so just keep that in mind. So different features are available in different region of PayPal. Alright, so you got to keep that in mind. First step, you want to go to paypal.com and log in into your PayPal account, and once you do that, you can see this little setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Just click on it. It's going to take you to the setting page. Now once you're over here, you can see where it says address, and this is my primary address, but let's say I want to change it. So you can see the little edit button right beside it. So I'm going to click on edit over here, and it's going to take me to this page. Now once I'm over here, I can edit whatever part I want. So let's say I want to change it to this over here, or let's just go for a random one. Okay, let's go. I want to change it to this, and from Lalitpur I want to change it to this over here. After I write that, I can click on where it says update. Now wait for some time. Oh, there was a little problem, sorry about that. I'm just gonna go back to this, and I click on update over here. Now once you change your address over here, just click on update, and basically it will be updated and it will be changed into your primary address. Alright, how you guys can change your phone number in PayPal. Now remember, if you change your phone number in PayPal, all of the verification code is also going to be sent to your newer phone number. Alright, so you need to keep that in mind as well. Now if you know that, let's move forward with today's video. So first step is you want to come to paypal.com and log in into your PayPal account, the official website of PayPal. And once you log in into your account, you want to click on this little setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the account setting page. And once you're over here on setting, make sure you're on account. Now once you're on account, scroll all the way down, and once you scroll all the way down, you can see phone number over here. You can click on where it says change. Now once you click on change, it's gonna ask you to add a new phone number. So click on add new, and where's this phone number, add yourself a new phone number over here. Add a new phone number, click on add phone number, and it's gonna send a verification code to your phone number. Once you get the verification code, make sure to verify your number. Once you verify your number will be added on PayPal. And once your new number is added on your PayPal, there's gonna be two number. So once you have two number, you can click on change and then change your new number into your primary phone number. Now once you change the new number into the primary phone number, the number which is currently primary is no longer going to be primary, because there can only be one primary number in PayPal. Now once this number is removed from the primary list, you can remove it from PayPal. And that's basically how you guys can change your phone number in PayPal, by adding a new phone number, then changing the new phone number into the primary one and removing the older one. Now you can remove the older one. If you don't want to, you don't have to remove it. Alright, how you guys can change your email on PayPal. First step is you want to go to paypal.com, the official website of PayPal, and log in into your account. Once you do that, you want to click on this little setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the account setting page. Now once you're over here, make sure you're on the account section, and right under emails over here, you can see where it says change. Click on change. Once you click on change, it's going to take you to the changing page, and over here it's going to ask you to enter a new email first, because in order to change your email, you need to add another email. Alright, and change it into the primary and remove the older one. So click on add new, add another email over here. After you add a new email over here, click on add, enter your email and click on add. Once you do that, basically your new email will be added on your PayPal. Alright, once you click on add new and add your new email, and once your new email is added on your PayPal, what you can do is just come back over here, just click on change. Once you click on change, it's going to show you your two emails, the new email you added and the older one. You can choose the new email, and your new email will be changed into your primary email. Once your new email is changed into your primary email, the older email or the current email, which is your primary, is going to be removed, because only one email can be primary at a time. Alright, once you do that, your new email will be the primary one, whereas the older will be unprimary. And once it's removed from the primary list, you can remove it. Alright, and you can only have one email, which is going to be your newer one. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your email in PayPal. How you guys can confirm your email address in PayPal. First step is you want to go to paypal.com and log in into your account. account. Once you log in into your account, it's gonna bring you to this dashboard. Now once you're over here, you want to click on this little setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you're over here, make sure you are on the account section, and under email you can click on add new. Alright, so if you have not added your email, it's gonna ask you to add email, but I have already, so I'm gonna add a new email over here. And once you add your new email over here, click on add. Once you click on add, a verification code is gonna be sent to your mail. So whichever mail you wrote, you need to go to the Gmail of that mail, and on that Gmail of your mail, this thing is gonna be shown: PayPal confirm your email address. Now once you receive this mail, you want to come to the mail and click on click to activate your account. Once you click on that, it's gonna bring you to this page, and over here you just need to enter the password of your account over here. Once you enter the password of your account, click on confirm email address, and it's gonna wait for some time, and once it brings you into your account like this, your email address has been confirmed. What is the difference between personal PayPal and business PayPal account? Alright, both of this is different, because for personal PayPal it's for individual person, whereas the business PayPal is for like a large corporate business and multiple people can use it. Now if you want to know in detail about this, so over here on my screen I have got the screenshot of the article which was officially released by PayPal, telling you guys what the difference between personal and a business account is. So basically, personal account is recommended for individual, which as I told you in the beginning, for only one person use, who shops and pays online or wishes to send and receive personal payment for shared expenses such as splitting bill or rental charges, or casual seller or non-business who wishes to get paid online and who also makes online purchases. So if you just want to use PayPal for sending money, receiving money, or for splitting bills of like a restaurant or for any cause, or just for like general purpose for paying stuff for buying online like an Amazon or a Netflix, if you just want to use it for common use, for your individual use, personal account is for you. But business account is recommended for those people, for merchants or seller who operates under a company or a group name, which means if you want to use your PayPal under your company's name, you need to have a business account, because if you're creating an account for a company, many people are going to use it. It's not going to be used by individual person, and high level of money is going to be transferred. An individual is not going to transfer $1 million, but if you guys are in a business, then there is a chance you might have to transfer like $100,000 or $50,000. In that case, you need to have business account, because personal account is not going to let you transfer a large sum of money. All right, it offers additional features as allowing up to 200 employees limited access, which means 200 employees can use the PayPal at the same time in a same account, and customer service email allies for customer issue to be rerouted for faster follow-ups. It also provides you customer routing service. And remember, the fee of personal account and business account is different. All right, so you need to keep that in mind as well. So yeah, that's the difference between personal and business account. How you guys can change your PayPal name. Alright, first step, come to paypal.com, the official website of PayPal, and click on this little setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. It's gonna take you to the setting page. Now once you're over here, make sure you're under the account section of setting. Once you're on the account section, you can see the versus change name option. Click on change name option. Alright, once you click on change name option, it's gonna ask you why you want to change your name. Now if you just want to change 1 or 2 character of your name, you can choose this, but if you want to change your full name, you can choose either one of these options, but I will go for this one. Click on next, and I'm gonna change from Witchy Kevin to Witchin to Witchy Turbo. Alright, so I'm gonna click and continue. Then it's gonna ask me for some information. Alright, so wait for some time now. As you guys can see, in order to change my name, it's gonna ask me to provide the legal ID, which means you need to provide your personal ID, which could be your country's citizenship or your passport or any other document which PayPal asks you for. So you need to provide the proof of your identity by clicking the photo of anything, but I would suggest you to use your citizenship. Alright, click the photo of citizenship, upload it, click and submit, and after some time PayPal staff will check it, and if they think like the ID photo you provided is correct, the name which is on your ID is gonna be given to you on your PayPal. It's just to verify that the name you're writing over here is original one. Alright, and yeah, you have to provide a document, whichever option you choose. Like if you choose you want to change your nickname as well, you need to provide a document. Alright, so make sure your documents are ready, otherwise you cannot change your name on PayPal. Alright, how you guys can sign up for a business account of PayPal. Now there's 2 types of account: personal account and business account. Business account, many people can access at the same time, whereas personal, only one person at a time. Alright, so that's the difference, and it also has a lot of feature difference as well. First step, search for PayPal business sign up and click on the first link over here. Sign up for a business account PayPal. Once you click on the URL, it's gonna take you to the PayPal business sign up page. Over here, enter your email. So I'm gonna enter my email over here real quick. You guys also enter your email. After you enter your email, click and continue, and once you click and continue, it's gonna ask you to create a password for your account. So I'm gonna create create a passport from my account over here. Click on continue. After you do that, it's gonna ask you for all this information like your legal name, your first legal name. So I'm gonna write my first legal name and my last legal name, and my business name is YouTube, and I'm gonna enter my phone number over here. After you enter your phone number, you need to enter the address where your business is registered. I'm gonna write this. The city is gonna be, the zone is gonna be this, and the postal code is 4007, and the currency which I use, I'm just gonna prefer US dollar for right now. Alright, after I do that, I can click on this, click on agree and continue. After I do that, on the next step, it's gonna ask me some more question related with my business, but after I fill up the entire form correctly, my PayPal business account will be created. Alright, how you guys can remove your phone number from PayPal. So the first step is go to paypal.com, which is the official website of PayPal. And once you're in the official website of PayPal and you log in into your account, you're gonna come to this dashboard, and over here you can see this little setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you see this, click on it and it's gonna take you to the setting page. Now once you're over here, make sure you're on the account page and scroll a bit down. Once you scroll a bit down, you can see phone number. Now remember, you cannot remove your phone number from PayPal unless you change it. So if I want to remove this phone number from PayPal, I need to add a new phone number. After I add the new phone number, I need to change the new phone number into the primary phone number. Once the new phone number is changed into the primary phone number, this phone number is no longer going to be the primary phone number. And you're going to see a remove button right beside this phone number over here, which is going to be over here instead of change. You can click on the remove and remove your phone number. Now, as I said, the trick to removing your phone number is first clicking on add new and basically adding a new phone number in PayPal. Once you add and verify your new phone number, basically you need to change your new phone number into the primary one. Once you do that, your older phone number is no longer going to be the primary one and you can remove it. Alright, so basically to remove phone number in PayPal, you need to add a new phone number. Alright, so yeah, that's basically the trick to removing phone number in PayPal. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Financiable, and I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.